Have you ever thought, how can I boost my income without spending years in school or breaking the bank? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 6 powerful skills you can learn in just 6 months that can transform your career and increase your earning potential. Stay tuned because the last skill we'll discuss can turn your passion into profit in ways you've never imagined. Let's start with learning a second language. In a world that's becoming more interconnected every day, being bilingual or multilingual is a massive advantage. Whether it's Spanish, Mandarin, or French, a second language opens doors to global job opportunities, freelance gigs, and even higher-paying roles in international companies. Beyond traditional jobs, think about this. As a translator, interpreter, or language tutor, you can earn a steady income while helping people connect across cultures. Online platforms like Duolingo and Babbel make learning languages fun and accessible. Remember, companies that work with international clients are always on the lookout for bilingual professionals to bridge communication gaps. So, if you want to stand out in the job market, this is a skill worth investing in. Next, we have video editing. With the explosion of video content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, video editing is one of the most in-demand skills today. Content creators need video editors to produce polished, professional content. And even if you want to create content for yourself, learning video editing ensures you have full control over your brand. Beyond creators, companies are constantly looking for video editors to create marketing videos, advertisements, and training materials. The best part? You can learn video editing online for free or with affordable courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Start practicing with free software like DaVinci Resolve, and as you grow more advanced, transition to industry-standard tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Third, online sales and e-commerce. Did you know that over 85% of the world's population now does most of their shopping online? This shift to digital shopping has created a massive opportunity for online sellers and e-commerce entrepreneurs. With platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy, setting up your own store is easier than ever. You can sell products, dropship, or even offer your own handmade creations. And here's the kicker. You can manage your e-commerce business from anywhere in the world. Imagine traveling while running a business at the same time. For success in this field, learn the basics of product sourcing, digital marketing, and customer service. These skills combined can help you build a business that generates passive income while giving you the freedom to live life on your terms. Now, let's talk about graphic design. Graphic design is the backbone of visual communication in every industry. Businesses need logos, social media graphics, website layouts, and promotional materials. That's where your skills can come in. The beauty of graphic design is that it's creative, flexible, and highly lucrative. Platforms like Canva are perfect for beginners, while tools like Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop allow you to master professional-grade designs. Freelance marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork offer endless opportunities to connect with clients worldwide. Whether you want to work part-time or start your own design agency, this skill pays off big. Fifth, marketing. No matter how great a product or service is, no one will buy it if they don't know it exists. That's why marketing is at the core of every successful business. From social media marketing to email campaigns, companies are constantly searching for professionals who can help them reach their audience. Marketing isn't just about selling, it's about understanding people, creating value, and building relationships. The demand for digital marketers is skyrocketing, and you don't need a degree to get started. Online courses, certifications, and hands-on projects can help you learn the ropes quickly. If you enjoy storytelling, analyzing data, or strategizing, marketing might just be your perfect fit. Finally, photography. Photography is more than just a hobby. It's a skill that can turn into a full-fledged business. From weddings and events to product shoots and portrait sessions, there's a consistent demand for professional photographers. You don't need the most expensive equipment to start. Even with a basic DSLR or a good smartphone, you can create stunning photos. Platforms like YouTube offer free tutorials to help you master camera techniques, lighting, and editing software like Lightroom. Photography also opens doors to passive income streams. You can sell your photos on stock websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, creating a steady flow of revenue while you sleep. There you have it. 6 powerful skills that can boost your income in just 6 months. So, what are you waiting for? Choose one skill that excites you the most and start learning today. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on actionable tips like these. Let me know in the comments which skill you're planning to learn first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.